didn't.
So, okay, here's what we did. So we had to go into Metairie to get a cake for my mom. So we went to Walmart in Metairie, and then we went to Five Below. So here's our squishy haul. Okay, here's what I got. So my papa, we didn't find these, we actually did, but my papa gave these to us. This giant tablet squishy. Don't know if you're supposed to open it. I'm gonna leave it closed, but it's humongous, but this is what we got. Then we got this little feller color changing. Next is my sister.
Okay, now I got this big heart.